Unity programmers are in high demand for virtual and augmented reality, game development, mobile apps, automotive design, film and television production, architecture, and much more. The Unity Certified User Programmer exam can help you validate your Unity programming skills to get your foot in the door of one of these amazing industries. I'm Carlos Lopez, a professor, longtime Unity user, and instructor for the Unity's official test prep course. This course is designed to prepare you for the Certified User exam, an industry-recognized credential, by testing your skills with real programming challenges. Aligned to all of the topics on the exam, you will learn the foundations of computing and programming, feel comfortable working in the Unity editor interface, be able to import 3D assets with animations, create code following industry best practices, and much more. And by the end, you will be able to tackle the exam with confidence. I'll see you in the course.